Welcome back to the YouTube channel. We are doing another review. We are doing a review of the Send 12T stand-up fishing kayak. So, the best thing about this kayak, it's big. It's so stable. I mean, that's why it's called a stand-up kayak. I'm stable. I cannot flip it. How stable that is. I'm literally making waves with it. It's how big. It's like a boat, mini boat. So I'm just gonna go to front to back review. So first thing we got over here is, well, I just put my sandals here. We can move those out of the way. Jeez. All right. So first thing we got here, I put my tackle under here. That's my tackle storage. That's where I put all the tackle. They're basically bungee straps. Yeah, so basically bungee straps. I put all my tackle there. Oh my lord, this slide out again. Here, I will show you guys how to put that back in. And that's kind of a good thing that it slid out. Next thing, we got the cooler. You can put a cooler here. You can put what I am going to do. I'm going to just get a milk carton, put all my tackle in there, and then I'm going to attach two rod holders to that, so I have 4 rod holders. So it also has these, so you can put another strap on your cooler or whatever you want to use. Then you have the rod holders. So that it only comes to 2. I want 4 rods, at least 4. Three bait casting, 1 spinning. So yeah, and it has these little things so you can like put a strap on it. I won't use those. That's just me. I won't use those. So next we got the old chair. I'm going to show you how to put the chair in. So how to put the chair in? You got these little, see that thing? Little thing you have to. Get it, spin it, get this one, spin it, then should go in like below here. Let me just set the GoPro up real quick so you can see what I'm doing here. So, see how it goes in? And the other one's in too now. And it just slides up, then you have different levels. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3, there's 4. I like 4 because I'm short. So if you're a short guy, I would probably go with 4. And it's super comfy. Next thing we have is your little compartment. What I got in there is a multi-tool, which I would have a multi-tool. It has pliers, it has everything. It's a knife. Then I just have a regular knife. Then I have, you never know when you need a rope. Never know. Then I just have a GoPro mount. So, cup holder, it's a cup holder, but I think it's too big to hold a cup. So I just put other crap in there. But you can put a cup in it. Other things you can use to put your stuff in is these things. These are good apartments. It has one on both sides. One on both sides, yes. Then you have the rails. You can put fish finder on those, paddle grip, which it already has one. Hey, we're gonna get to that, my bad. I should not have showed you guys that yet. So we're gonna get to that. But 1 rail on each side. Next I'm gonna show you is the dry storage. Open this up. What I like about this, they must have got lots of complaints of people losing their lids of them, so they put a strap on the lid, which I thought that was really smart. So I just got a bag in there just in case the dry storage does leak. I can put my phone in there. But you can fit an iPhone 5 in there. Up from that, you can't fit a phone in there. Only iPhone 5 or Android, which I have my iPhone 5, so don't worry about that. So I don't worry about that, but all of you guys that probably guaranteed have a better phone than an iPhone 5 or a nice Android, you're gonna want other place to store your phone. Next thing we got, don't take these plugs out, by the way. I just want to tell you that. Don't take the plugs out. don't even think I was aiming to those plugs, but my bad. So don't take these plugs out. Then here's our storage. Here's our storage. This storage does leak. I'm just telling you guys, this storage leaks a little bit when it downpours. If you leave your kayak on the rain, which I don't. So, just waiting on my mom. So, I just put it in a plastic bag. What I have in here is my extra reel, 3 packs. I have the 3 huge plastic bags of soft baits. Then I have all my camera gear. That's what goes in there. So that's what I have in there. It's just in one garbage bag. So here's the storage. Next thing I'm gonna show you is this mat. These mats are foam. They're super comfy on your feet if you go bare feet, which I usually do, but I'm just in socks today. But next thing we have, I'll show you, is these. Ranger foot. Okay, I guess one. But I like mine right there because I'm short, like I said. It's perfect for me. Yeah. But I like mine. Next thing we have is the paddle things. Just hooks on your paddle. You can take your paddle off. You can flip them up and down. It's a good feature. I gotta get this freaking paddle back on though. My bad. Shouldn't have threw it in the water, but it wasn't the brightest idea I ever had. But next, we're gonna go to the front. I just like the back. Got these straps. You can put a cooler there. You can put whatever. Then you got the handles on both ends. Forgot to show you that. But here, let me just give you a full length of this kayak. So far I got it 2 days ago on Saturday, and I just love it so far. It's just the perfect kayak for me. I'm trying to get that back in. So this chair does pop out a lot. Like I said, it just popped out again. But I love the chair to sit in, but this mechanism to me, I just think it's kind of dumb. Just kinda. But when you don't even have to have it in. See, it's not in right now. I can just take a seat. It's not moving. So that's gonna wrap up today's video. Like, subscribe, and just keep watching the videos. So hope you guys have a good day, morning, evening, I don't care. So have a good day.